Hurry up, your marriage is gonna be over before it starts. All right, Hoochie. Look at your ex-husband. Turn away, Doc. Sit, Hooch. Sit, Hooch. Hooch, sit. Sit. I don't think he wants to get married, Zoe. He's having second thoughts.
Sit. Sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Good boy.
Come stand beside your husband. Hey, hey. All right.
Hooch. Hooch.
Get over here. It's a wedding day.
It's wedding day.
Sit.
It's wedding day.
Sit.
Sit. Sit
Stay.
with your bride.
Hold on to him.
Come on. Stand.
All right. Dearly beloved and dog people, I think the ex-husband's fighting with the new husband. Hooch, we're gathered here to see if you want to get married. No, he's shaking his head. With the Zoe.
Baba.
Sit. I don't think he wants to get married, Zoe. He's having a lot of second thoughts.
He doesn't understand.
Hooch, sit. Sit.
Sit.
Sit. Sit. If he doesn't understand, I don't think he can get married. What do you think,
Stay.
Hooch?
Stay. Let's
Your
get
marriage.
married. Let's do this marriage. Let's get it going.
Okay. Sit down.
He's fine. He's fine. He doesn't have to. He's fine.
All right. Hooch, do you take this Zoe to be your new bride? Even though the ex-husband is fighting you. A lot of fighting. You better separate your husbands, your ex and your new. Hooch,
Hooch, come.
do you take her? No? All right, I better skip over that. I think he said yes.
Yes. Hooch, come back to the wedding.
Come back to the wedding, Hooch.
He doesn't care.
Zoe, do you take the Hooch to be your everlasting ugly dog?
Yes.
To have him hold you and get you out of my house as soon as he can.
Yes.
And the powers that are invested in Murphy, we pronounce you dog and beast.
You may kiss your
You may kiss the bride.
bride.
Hooch. Hooch.
I don't think he cares about you. Congratulations, you're married, and just like all good husbands, he's getting away from you.
Married.
He's leaving.
I didn't kiss him.
No more kisses for you. Goodbye.
No.
He eloped.